In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Figma's contrast checker to make sure your designs are accessible and easy to read. To get started, open your Figma project and select a shape or text layer. In the right-hand Properties panel, locate the Fill Color section and click on the color. You'll see a contrast indicator that shows whether your color combination meets accessibility standards. If the design passes, you'll see a check mark. If not, Figma will display a warning and suggest colors that provide better contrast. For text layers, Figma can check both AA and AAA accessibility levels. Simply select the text, open the color settings, and review the contrast ratings shown in the panel. If needed, adjust the colors until they meet the desired accessibility standard. This helps ensure your content remains readable for all users. And that's it. You've successfully used Figma's contrast checker to improve the accessibility of your design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.